Yogi Clan, welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service. I thank you for stopping by. So, question for you. So you pull over to the gas station, you're filling up for gas, you take off your gas cap. Now what do you do? I don't know. So there is this little groove here, and if you got like a 14 and up, they got a little groove up there for an air vent. I usually just throw it up there. But the thing's stinky and gas all over your windshield and crap all over. So really, where's a good place to put this thing? Well, RickRak has a solution. If you remember a couple of weeks ago, I brought you some stuff about RickRak GoPro mounts. Well, yes, while I was there, I figured, hey, let's add this to the order. Let's have some fun. So this is the RickRak Gas Cap Keeper. It is, I think they sell for like $14.95, if I remember correctly. It's really a magnet. If you're new here to Yogi Cycle Service, I thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. I hope this little tip on the RickRak Gas Cap Keeper helps you out, because that's what we do here at Yogi Cycle Service. We bring you tips, service, maintenance, motorcycle stuff. Or if it's not motorcycle stuff, it's Yogi related stuff. If you like what you see, ask your brother, give your brother some love. Hit that thumbs up. Surf around, check out my channel if you like what you see there, and give me a subscribe. I'd appreciate it very much. But today, we're going to look at this, the RickRak Gas Cap Keeper. If you're a returning subscriber, I thank you for stopping by. So I think this thing is pretty much no explanations. Let's get this opened up. I think it's really pretty easy, really pretty simple. It's a magnet. So you're going to take this, and basically all you're going to do is you're going to take the little adhesive sticker off the back, chuck that onto the floor, and stick it on your gas cap. Just like that. Boom. You're done. What do you do with it now? Now you can take this, and when you're at the gas station, you can go like that. Now you got a place to put your gas cap without getting crap all over your windshield and all over your dash. Isn't that awesome? Take it off, put it on, come to your next fill up, boom, magnet, just like that. Great place to keep your gas cap. You don't drip junk all over the front of your bike. Isn't that awesome? That was a really simple one. Wasn't that a quick one? This is probably my shortest video ever. There you go. The RickRak Gas Cap Keeper. Screw it back on. Fits. Alright, Yogi Clan. Just wanted to bring you this quick tip about RickRak again. The Gas Cap Keeper. So, if you're going to order some GoPro accessories or maybe some luggage, man, it's 15 bucks. Add that onto your order. You'll be happy you did. Now you got plates to put your gas cap. Now I got to figure out what to do with Miss Piggy. I can get one on that gas cap too. I'll catch you all later on the next one. Thank you, Yogi Clan. Catch you later. Peace.